In this video, we're going to learn how to do something called a sketch effect. Now, why would we want to do a sketch effect? There are programs out there that will do this for us, but I'm going to show you how to do it manually so you can have more control over the outcome. What will your outcome be? Let's take a look at an example. We started off with this image. Just a fishing boat going out for a day's fishing. After we applied the sketch effect to it, we ended up with this. Now, why would we want to do that? A lot of people like to use this type of an effect for a note card or a postcard or many other reasons. It's just another way to express your creativity. Now, let's go ahead and do one. We'll start with this church that was taken in downtown Charleston, South Carolina. And we'll apply the sketch effect, and here's how we do that. The first thing that we do is to copy the background layer. And of course, Control J is all we need in order to do that. Then, we want to remove the color from this layer. Control Shift U will accomplish that. Now, we'll use Control J to copy this black and white layer. And on this layer, we're going to invert, or Control I. Once we've done that, then we'll change the blend mode to color dodge. Just like that. Then, we'll go to Filter, Other, Minimum, and I use about 4 pixels, but as you see with your slider here, you can adjust that figure. Another way that you can control the final outcome. Click OK. Now, let's go back to the original layer, the background layer, the one with the color, and we'll copy that again, Control J. And then we'll take that layer to the top of the stack. And sometimes that can be a little, not sure why. Sometimes that can be a little tedious, but there it is at the top of the stack. And we'll reduce the opacity. Right now, as you see, it's at 100%. But let's bring that opacity down. You can see what it's doing. And let's just leave it about right there. That looks good for the moment. Then we want to merge the top 3 layers so that we're only left with 2 layers. So let's make the bottom layer invisible. And then we can do a layer, merge visible, which will merge those top 3 layers. There we have our background. Now we'll do another Control J to copy. Then we'll go to Filter, Artistic, and we'll go to Poster Edges. There we are. Click OK. Let Photoshop do its thing. And then we'll play with the opacity until we get something that we like. You can see it change as we go back and forth. And let's just leave it right there. And there we have our sketch of our church. Hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget, written instructions are available. Thank you very much. Next time.